It is time for neighborhood weather, and I'm only kidding when I say there's no mystery about the history in South Florida. That's not true. There's mystery everywhere, as Bryan Norcross can attest.
Yes, this is one of those neat ones, you know. I've come by here many, many times. Yet another one of those. You go, you know, I'm going to have to check this thing out. And so I did. So I called the folks at the city of Coral Gables today and found out what this is all about. This actually was built not as a lighthouse, but as a water tower observation deck up there. There were 5 of them built in the city of Coral Gables back in the 20s. All but this one were knocked down in the 1926 hurricane. And this one survives and was used as a water tower down to 1931. And then, of course, they went on the City of Miami water system here in Coral Gables. So that's what this was. This was George Merrick. Just could not tolerate having water towers in this town back in the 20s that looked like water towers. So he built this, and it still lights up at night. You can see it from a good distance. So you see this thing here. A couple interesting things to show you. It's not in ideal shape. In fact, there are some plans to do something about it. And we see up in the old light up there, it's a home. This thing is a home to a lot of pigeons. I don't know what that pigeon's doing, watching the neighborhood weather here. And growing up out of the side of the building up there, look at that tree. You couldn't plant that thing up there if you wanted to, but there it is from a crack in the side of the building here on Alhambra Circle. All right, that's the situation here right now. We'll take you inside. This is a little bit like Al Capone maybe in there. You don't know here in just a second. Let's check and see what's going on neighborhood weather-wise on a mostly terrific day here in South Florida.